My name is Али Ихсан Güneş, Çikipa. I was graduated, or I have lived in Germany for 28 years. I was graduated also in Germany at the University of Dortmund in economics. And after our graduation, we have decided with my brother to come to Turkey and to establish this company. FGI is the name of our company, was established in 1997, 21 years ago, and is a company who is producing industrial doors for the Turkish and the neighbor markets. That means we are producing doors for Turkey, for Russia, for Iran, for Iraq, for Syria, for Bulgaria, for Greece, for all neighborhood markets, also for the Middle East. FGI is actually a company with a very strong international partner in Germany. We are also dealing next to the products we produce by ourselves here. We are also dealing with European products in that markets, and are actually the leader of the market in Turkey for these types of products. In the company, there are working actually 58 people in Sakarya, and 17 of them are from Abkhazia. That means that we have got very smart, very good guys here. With them, we are doing these jobs, and yeah, we hope to do more. We hope also to do these jobs maybe in the near future also in Abkhazia.